This is the ZOSI C291 4 megapixel outdoor wireless camera. It includes Wi-Fi, solar, pan and tilt, smart human detection with auto track and alerts. Hole pattern guide, security sticker, USB solar panel, mount, screws, USB, and there it is. Look how cute that is. Comes with a 32 gig SD card, which is nice. There's the USB port on the side for the solar panel. Let's see how it works. All right, so we got the app installed. Turn my Bluetooth on and I'm all registered.
Succeed. Wireless connection succeed.
Okay, so with the registration process, you put in your Wi-Fi username and password, and now it's connecting and updating. You do have to create a registration, so I use a junk email address and password to set it up. And got a service offer here, I'm going to skip. And I had to create a device password also to get into the unit itself. And so here we are. And it looks like the battery's in pretty good shape. So let's go outside and install it. There it is, not much to it. Screw the panel on top, put the camera underneath it, plug it into the side, and you're ready to go. So let's see what the video looks like. Okay, here we are. Oh, and it sees me. It knows I'm a person. That's cool. So it looks like we've got presets, which is nice. So I could go over here, which is the gate to my backyard. So I could set that as a preset, which is cool. Here's the rest of my backyard. And turn the quality up. Oh, wow. That looks good. Okay, so I can put back here. It shows motion settings, or when motion events have happened. Yeah, there's me installing it. And some fun behind the scenes video. Much to it. Well, very cool. I can turn the microphone on and off. Test. Oh. 1 2 1 2. Oh, that's an alarm. So if you see someone, an intruder into your backyard, and you want to scare the heck out of them, you can just hit this little alarm button. That's cool. All right. The one quirk to this thing is it's 2.4 gig wireless only, which most routers are going to support. I'm 100 feet or so from my router, and I'm obviously in the backyard, and my router is kind of in the middle of the house. So it's getting signal. It's not the fastest transmission, but it is certainly usable, particularly since I'm streaming at a pretty high resolution, and you can always extract the high res video off the SD card directly if you see something. So pretty slick. The PTZ is not the most responsive thing, but it's typical for this kind of product, particularly at this price point.